shit, I was sticking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse in a carriage. Bet you never could imagine. I never saw you could have it. You needed me. Oh, you needed me. Oh, you needed me. Oh, you
aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a tall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
The roundabout, take the second exit and stay on A1.
I think a tall angel just walked by. I think a tall angel just walked by. I think a tall angel just walked by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my
Continue on A1 for 1.5 kilometers.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
We are now in St. Anne. Woo, woo, woo. I just overtook some cars on the white dotted line, of course, and I have so much adrenaline rush. It's crazy. Yeah, we were just going through an area that looked so beautiful, like very rainforest canopy like, but there cannot get my eyes off the road. So I mean, my eyes are on the road right now. My eyes are never off the road, even though this is recording, which from a tripod and mount, because what y'all don't know is I can mount my cameras anywhere I want. I have vehicle mounts. But anyways, that's beside the point. My eyes are always on the road though when I'm driving, so I just gotta trust in the camera to capture everything that I wanted to capture and make it look good. Yeah. So beautiful. Showing you guys a snippet. Is it Fern Gully? I'm pretty sure. Well, maybe it's not, but it looks just like it. It's so beautiful. We are in Rios, Ochi, as people would call it. I'm gonna go find the KFC. Oh, you can see the beautiful sea. So I'm gonna go find the KFC and call and find out where Grandpa and Grandma and Clive reach. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I've dropped off what I need to drop off for Mommy. Grandma is long gone, and I'm driving through Ochi. Oi! I was trying to figure out if I could find somewhere to go, but I can't find anywhere. I don't know anywhere. I have no idea about anywhere. So I'm gonna try Googling it. I mean, the best thing to do is ask people, but these people don't know anything. I don't know who lives here and who doesn't live here, but I'm not getting any suggestions from anybody. But this is Ochi. Welcome to Ochi. Yeah. How many of you guys are from Ochi? Let me know. How many of you been to Ochi? Make sure you like this video and leave a comment below. And if you have any recommendation, I mean, a lot of places are closed, but if you've done anything here and you have any recommendation, then let me know as well. Lester and Kyle's mother. When me and Malik, we were trying to find a way up to Kingston, and since we were in Portland and Kyle was in Ochi, he was like, okay, how about you just meet us here and we can drive up, you know, you guys can come up with us. So I was like, okay, that's cool. And then we end up going to that restaurant. It's in one of my very old vlogs from like maybe 2.5, 3 years ago. Alright, I'm going towards Portland, so I'm gonna have to figure out another way back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out. I know for a fact that I'm heading towards Portland. So yeah, I'm gonna figure something out and then I'll get back to you guys. I keep saying that, but this time I will. Guys, these big trucks a while ago were making their turns. That was really kind of cool. Because, you know, sometimes they have to stop and reverse and then set a certain way, then come, then stop again, then reverse and then set a certain way and then do it, especially when there are tight corners like this and when they have the containers or like some other extensions, the beds, the flat beds on the back, they have to do like all manner of turns, you get me? But everybody wants to pass this truck, not this one, but the one in front of it. It's like real slow. So our next truck here. Everybody want to pass the propane truck right there. I want to pass the two of them, but I can't right now. Oh, look at that view!